Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I really appreciate you taking the time to do so. My name is Dooley. If you don't know by now, I am a graphic designer and I am a self-taught calligrapher. You know, always working on improving. In this video, we're going to talk about my favorite pens that I use whenever I am not using my iPad. And you let me know in the comments below what is your favorite pen. And these pens range from brush pens, automatic pens. You know what, let me not ruin it for you. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite pen is in the comments below. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First up, we have what I remember. I still remember when I first got these pens. To me, they were like, it just felt so unobtainable. And I say that because it was so foreign to me. These are automatic pens. And the way how they work, I actually have a video on these. I'll put a card up. And it works with ink getting trapped between the two metal plates. These two pens are, well not two, these three pens are really, really good. I definitely recommend getting them if you are willing to, you know, at least try them out or take that journey within calligraphy. And very, very fun. I paid, I believe it was around, I bought them so long ago. And let me say this right now. I did not buy all these at one time because I know with calligraphy tools, basically any craft in general, stuff would get pretty expensive. I bought these like one at a time. I think I paid maybe $15 for them. And now this is a brush pen you all may know quite a bit about. This brush pen right here, this is the Tombow Furunosuke. They have a hard version and a soft brush and a soft version. And I think maybe medium. I just know the hard and the soft. I always prefer the hard brush pen. And this is very affordable, cheap, easy to find. And also you can get very scripty with it, if that's even a word. Or you could just do rough, quick brush work with it. And also they have great effects when they are almost completely empty or dried out. And this one, I randomly came across this one on Jet Pens. And this one is made by Sakura. I like the bullet nib on it. And to me, you could do pretty dope monoline work with it. And really, just like anything, have so much fun. And if you could find this one, I don't remember the name, and it is all in Japanese. And I used to know how to speak very little Japanese, and I cannot read kanji or katakana. I know it's one of those two. I guess you would just say kanji. Yeah, whatever it is, just let me know in the comments below. And I have two of the three pens that I have. What the hell is that? Oh, dirty from when I was using it the other day. And that is dried ink on it. Anyhow, this right here, this is my Zigco Rio. You all know I've talked about these brush pens a lot. And the reason why I like these brush pens, one, I like how they feel in hand. And then two, I like how they're so nice. I like how the body design is and they don't rub your hands and let me rephrase that. The way how they sit in your hand is really comfortable, like using an actual ballpoint pen. Like for example, like holding this one and then holding this. This is an actual pen. And then as you know, this is a brush pen. Then the other cool thing about these pens are how they have many different types of cartridges. Like this one, it's a fine brush pen cartridge because they have a softer one and then they have one that's just a ballpoint pen. And they also have different colors. These brush pens are worth it. The only downside I have to say with using these, well, not using these, with purchasing them is that the way how it works is that first you're going to buy the body and then you're going to buy the cartridge. They don't sell these as a set. I mean, I haven't found any place that sells them complete. But they are really awesome pens. If you follow me on Instagram, which I hope you're doing so if you haven't done so by now, I use these a lot. And then also I even get pissed when they dry out. And then the next couple of days, they automatically start flowing again perfectly. Maybe it could be my error and how I'm storing them. Whoops, I kicked the camera. And last but not least, I'm pretty sure you know about them by now. Pilot parallel pen, 6mm. I've had these Pilot parallel pens have been in my arsenal of calligraphy supplies since the beginning, and they will continue to be, because these mean a lot to me, and they are easily, is this the broken one? And it is. So this right here, this is my very first Pilot parallel pen, and it broke. But anyhow, you get the message. And last but not least, this is what is it called? And last but not least, one of my favorite brush pens. And I say my favorite brush pens because it is just so petite, fun, awesome to use. And this is the Pilot parallel, no, not Pilot. Oh my God. This is a Pilot Petite. These pens are, as you see, really, well, tiny for me. And let's compare them to the size of the Zigco Rio. So this pen, well, this Pilot Petite brush pen, just like the Zigco Rio, you could change out the cartridge, but it is spilling ink. So the way how these work, you just change out the cartridge, and you just put it, twist it in like that, and then just screw it in. And you keep the nib and everything. The only thing you're going to change is the cartridge. And I've had this one for, I'd say, at least a year, maybe even longer. And they do sell refills for this. That concludes today's video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. What is your favorite brush pen? Or what is your favorite broad edge pen for calligraphy? Or what is your favorite tool in general? As you all just saw a few of mine, and if you don't know, one of my most favorite ones that I use the most nowadays is my iPad Pro. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave me some love in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.